Today for review I have ZHIYUN Smooth Q2, which is ZHIYUN latest model of gimbal for smartphones. Smartphone cameras are getting excellent with every new model, and in order to unleash their full potential, gimbals are must-to-have accessory. So please stay tuned for another unboxing and review, and please do not forget to subscribe and press notification bell for upcoming videos. This is the packing of ZHIYUN Smooth Q2, and on the front there is a gimbal picture and Smooth Q2 label. On the side of the box there are numbers written on the gimbal button and ports position, and underneath description of their purpose in different languages. On the back some usual description of the gimbal and just a logo on this side. Now I will open the ZHIYUN box. There is some soft material in the box lid, most probably for protection layer. This is the manual on top of the gimbal. It has a warranty card and some usual instructions. Now I will take out the gimbal, which looks very compact. I will put this on the side and see what else is in the box. It is hard to take out this piece. And this is the part of the gimbal in which we put our phone. And then we have our cable for charging and holding strip for gimbal. This gimbal is very compact as compared to other gimbals that are available in market, and it is made up of metal. This makes it look and feel premium. The grip of this device is very nice for holding, and all the buttons are in front for easy usage. This device has two different motors and they can hold up to 260 grams of weight. Most of the phones that are available in market nowadays are under 200 grams. We can easily slide in and slide out phone from the gimbal, and it is very convenient in situation like someone calls you and you need to pick the phone immediately. Smooth Q2 has two physical buttons, one is for power and other one is for recording. Then we have a joystick and it has multiple functionalities. There are 5 different modes in Smooth Q2, and those are pan follow mode, lock mode, follow mode, POV or point of view mode, and the last one is vertex mode. We can switch between these modes by pressing the joystick by one time and we will be on to the next mode, and by pressing it 2 times we will be back to the previous mode, and this will be shown on the Smooth Q2 through LED indicators. There is a USB-C port for charging the Smooth Q2, and it has an impressive 16 hours of battery life. This is a long battery life, and ZHIYUN make an impressive use of this by letting you allow to charge your phone from this device. There is a specific micro USB port for this purpose, and it is underneath the phone holder. The pan follow mode is the first mode, and it gives the flexibility to move left and right when you move and avoid the phone from moving up and down. You can tilt the phone in this mode by moving the joystick up and down. The lock mode is simply described itself, and it means it will lock your phone completely from moving it in left, right, up and down. You can pan and tilt through joystick in this mode. Follow mode is for following you, either it is left or right, up or down. You can pan, tilt and roll at specific angles through the joystick in this mode. POV allows you to perform all the functionalities at the same time. And the last is vertex mode, which allows your phone to take stunning barrel roll shots by allowing it to rotate 360 degrees. You can also use portrait mode by tilting the gimbal completely either left side or right side. You can also do that by your hand. This gimbal also allows you to take selfies from your back camera, and it is nice because on phones, mostly the back cameras are high quality than selfie cameras. This gimbal provides smooth video quality, which is the basic purpose of a gimbal, and the compact structure of this gimbal makes it easily portable. You can use your phone directly with Smooth Q2, but for reaching its full potential, download the ZHIYUN app because it has a lot of different functionalities. It is very easy to install this app and connect with your phone, and I will soon upload another short video tutorial on how to install, set up and an overview of its feature. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do it, and thanks for watching.